The biggest risk at your event isn't inside the venue. It's the queue outside. Event ingress is one of the most critical and most overlooked parts of venue operations. Because if guests can't enter efficiently, everything starts to break down. Queues build, crowds become congested, staff come under pressure, experience suffers. And under Martin's Law, these bottlenecks aren't just operational issues anymore, they're security risks. Event ingress is the process of moving guests from arrival to entry. It includes ticket scanning, security screening, bag checks, and access control. At small scale, it works. At large scale, it becomes a throughput problem. Ingress systems fail when arrival rate exceeds processing capacity. This happens during peak arrival windows, large-scale events, and high-security environments. And when it happens, queues don't just grow, they accelerate. Most venues think queues grow steadily, but in reality, they grow exponentially. Because delays compound, processing slows under pressure and people keep arriving. Small delays become major congestion, fast. There are 5 key ingress bottlenecks. 1. Bag checks, the biggest constraint. Every bag slows screening. 2. Manual cloakrooms, creating queues before security even begins. 3. Limited lane throughput, fixed capacity, no flexibility. 4. Peak arrival windows, everyone arrives at once. 5. Poor entry design, space is not built for modern flow. But one factor drives more delays than anything else: bags. They increase screening time, add variability, and reduce throughput. At scale, they become the primary cause of queues. The most important metric in ingress is throughput, people processed per minute. If throughput is lower than arrival rate, queues are guaranteed. Most venues try to fix this by adding staff, adding lanes, extending entry times. But this increases cost, adds complexity, and doesn't solve the real problem: too much friction at entry. The smartest venues are shifting from process faster to process less. That means reducing what needs to be screened before guests reach security. One of the most effective ways to do this is removing bags before entry. Using smart locker systems and pre-entry storage, this reduces friction and transforms ingress performance. The result: faster throughput, shorter queues, less pressure on staff, better guest experience, and stronger compliance under Martin's Law. Because the difference isn't managing queues, it's eliminating them. If you want to understand how to redesign your entry system, explore our guide to Martin's Law, or see how to remove bags before security entirely.